Navigating through numerous products can be daunting. To simplify your decision-making process, we've handpicked the 6 best options available. Explore the descriptions for comprehensive details and the latest pricing. Kizer Phoenix. Made from Fatcarbon and aluminum, the handle of this knife seamlessly integrates the distinct Fatcarbon pattern with the durability of aluminum, ensuring both style and sturdiness. The gently curved handle scales, reminiscent of feathers, offer ergonomic support while enhancing the knife's sleek appearance. The S35VN steel undergoes exceptional heat treatment, achieving a hardness of 5861 HRC, resulting in razor-sharp precision cutting capability combined with strong toughness and outstanding edge retention, perfect for everyday carry. The orange dark matter hue of the handle blends darkness and warmth, akin to a phoenix feather enveloped in the Earth's magma core. Designed for enthusiasts and everyday users alike, this remarkable piece harmoniously combines functionality with aesthetic allure, catering to a broad spectrum of preferences and practical requirements. Monikala. Crafted from high-quality materials, our pocket knives with clips feature D2 steel blades measuring 2.8 mm thick and boasting a hardness rating of 5860 HRC. The ergonomic handles, made with G10, ensure resistance to corrosion, ease of sharpening, and durability. Versatile and suitable for various purposes, Monikala pocket knives and folding knives offer convenience with a closure length of 4.5, 115 mm, and a weight of 4.69 Oz, 133 gray, making them lightweight and portable. With sharp, high-quality blades, they serve as reliable companions for adventures, hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities, as well as for tasks such as opening boxes, letters, and envelopes. Featuring a black-coated drop-point blade with a geometric pattern on the handle, our pocket knife sets blend style and functionality seamlessly for both women and men. With a blade length of 3.5, 89 mm, and an overall length of 8.07, 205 mm. These compact pocket knives are perfect for everyday carry and come equipped with a deep carry stainless steel clip that securely attaches to your pocket. We've incorporated a ceramic ball-bearing pivot structure and a liner lock for smooth and rapid operation, allowing for quick and flexible one-handed blade opening. The liner lock also ensures safety during blade closure, requiring the user to press down to securely close the folding knife. CIVIVI C21006 DS1. The CIVIVI pocket knife, the perfect companion for everyday carry, EDC enthusiasts, and knife aficionados alike. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this conspirator button-lock folding knife boasts a formidable 3.48 Damascus blade that combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional performance. The blade's Damascus steel construction not only showcases a distinctive pattern, but also offers superior strength, durability, and edge retention for long-lasting use. Whether you're tackling daily tasks or outdoor adventures, this knife is up to the challenge. Designed for comfort and reliability, the dark green micarta handle provides a secure grip and ergonomic feel, ensuring precise control and maneuverability in any situation. The button lock mechanism allows for swift and effortless deployment with one hand, making it ideal for quick access and use on the go. Compact and lightweight, this pocket knife fits seamlessly into your pocket or pack, ready to assist you whenever needed. Whether you're cutting, slicing, or simply admiring its craftsmanship, the CIVIVI pocket knife is sure to impress with its blend of style, functionality, and quality. Elevate your EDC game with the CIVIVI Conspirator Button Lock Folding Knife and experience the perfect balance of performance and style in the palm of your hand. Kershaw Appa. The Kershaw Appa is both lightweight and sturdy, making it an ideal everyday carry tool for a variety of tasks such as cutting tape, boxes, rope, and more. With its sleek black color and a 2.75-inch reverse tanto blade boasting a razor-sharp cutting edge, the Appa is as stylish as it is functional. The handle of the Appa is designed with multiple cutouts, providing a balance of lightness and strength. Its speed-safe assisted opening mechanism enables easy, swift, one-handed opening using the flipper, while a liner lock ensures the blade stays securely in place when deployed. Additionally, The Appa features a reversible pocket clip and a lanyard hole, offering versatility in carrying options to suit your preference, and adjustments can be made using a T6 bit. FINTISO. The handle of the folding knife is crafted from 6061 aviation-grade aluminum alloy, renowned for its high toughness and resistance to deformation, making it particularly well-suited for outdoor pursuits. Designed by professional European and American designers, FINTISO small pocket knives boast high-end blades and meticulous color coordination, along with scientifically engineered handles to enhance the outdoor experience. With a 3.38 blade suitable for urban and work tasks, and equipped with a lanyard hole and pocket clip, this pocket knife is versatile enough for hiking, camping, hunting, and various other activities. Constructed from Swedish 14C28N material, known for its exceptional stability and resistance to chipping, breaking, or curling, with a hardness rating of up to 62 HRC, the FINTISO pocket folding knife is committed to delivering top-notch performance. We are dedicated to providing you with high-quality service, and should you have any questions during use, please feel free to contact us anytime. NedFoss DA75. The NedFoss Pocket Folding Knife. DA75, the ultimate 3-in-1 companion for men who value versatility, functionality, and reliability. This rugged survival knife is designed to meet the demands of outdoor adventures, camping trips, hiking excursions, and everyday tasks with ease. Equipped with a durable liner lock mechanism, this pocket knife ensures secure blade deployment and prevents accidental closure during use, providing peace of mind in any situation. Its integrated belt clip offers convenient carry options, keeping your knife easily accessible at all times. But the utility of the NedFoss DA75 doesn't stop there. This multifunctional tool also features a built-in seat belt cutter and glass breaker, making it an indispensable life-saving tool for emergencies and rescue situations. Whether you're escaping a vehicle entrapment or aiding in a roadside emergency, this knife is prepared to assist. Crafted from high-quality materials, including a sharp and resilient blade, this hunting knife delivers reliable performance when you need it most. Its ergonomic designs give a comfortable grip and precise control, allowing you to tackle tasks with confidence and ease. From slicing through ropes to breaking glass and cutting seatbelts, the NedFoss Pocket Folding Knife DA75 is your go-to tool for survival, camping, hiking, and more. Prepare for the unexpected and stay prepared with this versatile and dependable companion by your side. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.